rose, Mr. Ivan Ahmada. Pwede lang ikot-ikuti ng ating camera. For our next lunch, let us all welcome Mr. John Opiar. Hintayin mo makarating si John before he leave our agenda.
Thank you. Practice sila sa PE. Let's welcome our next rose, Mr. Cyrus Pagdal. Huwag mo lang iwan si Sarvey habang inintay natin si Mr. Cyrus. Sige, pwede mo na. Let's welcome Mr. Ian Joshua Barida. Joshua.
Nag-practice din po sila mga 2 weeks.
Ka ba?
Moving on to our next rose, Mr. J.S. Angelo Barina. Urayan pa ni J.S. Keep on dancing while waiting for J.S. Mr. Carl Lakad Barila. And for our next rose, Mr. Carl Barila. While we are calling our next dance, Mr. Christian Lim Baligid. Continue dancing while waiting for question.
Papa, si Papa sa manunod. Papa. Kaya namin.
Moving on to our third to the last dance, may we call on Mr. Jeremy Marl Barilla.
Hindi, kaya patlong CD. Ay, sorry.
For our second to the last dance, may we call on Mr. Jeremias Barilla. Lolo Rinyas.
Iproxin awan?
Sige, sala kayo lang. And now we will now go on with our grand finale. So ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our debutants last times, Mr. Cicero Compass.
Pahingin nga last na dapat si Maisa. Pahingin nga duwa na ito eh.
How about another round of applause for our debutants last times? So to all our 18 roses, please get ready. We will be having a group photo po maya-maya lamang with our debutant.
Sorry. Tuloy mo na. Tuloy na yung awan. Napay kayo sa bulso.
Okay, so habang sumasayo po ang ating debutant together with Kuya Iro, lahat po ng attendees, get your cameras ready because we have a little surprise for our debutant. Sa lahat po ng gusto makakapture ng moment na ito, i-ready nila po ang inyong mga camera because our team is ready for a surprise sa ating celebrate. So, isayo lang. Hindi mo makikita pero yung audience makikita. Ready na? Ayan. So, in a few moments, you'll be witnessing a birthday surprise for our debutant. So, sa ating team, if you're ready, you may proceed with our surprise. Ako rin po masusurprise kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung saan side. Dito ba ito? Sige, sayaw lang. O, yung sasakyan ko ako. Brand new car. So there, happy birthday, sir. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our surprise sa ating birthday celebration. Tinapatan po nila yung pailaw ni Yorme.